Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a forward edge, but what we'll be doing here actually will apply to Lincoln MKX as well guys. We'll show you how to remove or how to replace the trunk panel, that plastic trunk panel. If you need to work on your lock actuators, rear wipers, anything like that, that panel will need to come out. Stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that now. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop guys, including this generation forward edge guys, okay, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, that's all we need in return. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below. We'll share all that with you for your convenience. This is guys a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, but it should work on Lincoln MKX as well. This is the cover guys, okay, it goes right here. So let's go ahead and show you what needs to be done to remove it now guys. So now guys, we need to remove that plastic cover, the whole cover. Here in that handle we have 2 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove those. Once we guys remove those, okay, we have 2 more that we need to remove after that. The other 2 are located right here. Okay, and those are missing already guys. Now, I don't think we have any screws holding. We get a plastic panel removal too. We pry it down. Okay, there is a few clips, I can see them. Okay, perfect. A few of them came out guys, so we will need to show you how to install them later. Okay, it's coming loose guys. It's coming loose. Now, we have a few right there holding. Okay, 2 more clips in the middle guys. So, okay, and you can see how they're holding. So we need to start on this side. Okay, right there. And we pull down guys. And we go on the other side as well. The same thing. Okay, let's grab and pull down. Okay. But somebody needs to actually hold. Okay, we're trying to reach with the 2 there. Okay, let me see if we can hold it. That thing guys fell out. Careful not to get hurt guys. Okay, this is the clip that fell out. This clip goes right here. Okay, let me show you. If you need to get a replacement clips, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now we need to remove these clips. Hold them with your hand because they'll fly away. Pull them out and install them on that panel guys, and we will explain where all the clips are. We have 2 more that we need to remove. One over there. Perfect. And then we guys have, okay, 1 over here. Perfect guys. Okay, this one came out as well. Now let us show you where all the clips are. Okay, we have a couple more that are actually missing guys. Okay, they were not installed last time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 2 are missing and we have 2 and 2, 4 screws, and that whole cover guys, okay, comes out just like that. So you can see guys, that's how you remove the trunk. Okay, that trunk panel trim cover guys, that's how you do it. Installing it guys, pretty much in reverse order. We took it apart. Make sure you don't have broken clips. Make sure that you install the 4 screws as well guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.